here at the Greensboro Museum. Got a newer looking Thyssenkrupp here. Oh, it used to be an Otis. Land's so high up, so I think it was a Lexan. Let's see when it was installed. 1989. Nope, not Lexan. Probably Series 1. Or newer Lexan, exactly. And here's sorry. This is a description about an elevator right over here. And there it goes. That's it. So this is at the Greensboro Museum. We got an Otis that's got a TK mod. Look at those Otis rails. I don't know how they still will stand. Let's pull the camera down. If there's any. Oh, there's no one in the elevator. We got it by ourselves. Otis. Go to L. I'm not sure why they choose one. And that's the lower level. It should be called LL. It's very squeaky. It started in 1989. So I'm assuming this was a Series 1 or something.
I know, they're cute to watch out there in the water and all that. Downstairs.
There it goes. That's it. Alright, this is here the Proxmity Hotel. We have Otis Series 5 elevators. They're on the same controller. Let's see which one will come. I think it's. Oh, this one's coming down. Here it is. Egg lanterns. It's set up to 8. Really tall doors. Look at that.
Supposed to go lobby.
There you go. And let's get these doors. Installed in 2007. Can't view this thing. It's really nice. So fixtures. So extremely fast. This one's beyond. There it goes. That's it. What we just found here. A nice looking Schindler. What? It's sold in 2001. It's kind of dim. I don't like this low lighting and the fact that it's very dim. I mean, I like this elevator except for the low lighting. The indicator's dim. And there's only one light working. Look at that. I'm taking a picture of that. You're at 1. There it goes. That's it.